A very warm welcome, students, and wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. This is Krishna Chaitanya Kausala talking to you on my classroom channel. Today, we are going to talk about New Year resolutions and how should your New Year resolution be. How should be your New Year resolution? Not very optimistic, not very big, not very gigantic, but something which is small, achievable, sustainable. For example, you can resolve to make a crisp note of whatever you have learned through the day 10 minutes before you sleep. Small thing, achievable. 10 minutes before you sleep, if you write down whatever you have learned through the entire day in physics, chemistry, mathematics, or bio, this is something which you can do regularly, day on day. Slowly, it becomes a habit, and the output of which, when you see at the end of the year, will be substantially high. These small habits which you inculcate in yourself will make you a successful person and will give you substantial growth. How does these small things matter at all? How do they contribute to your growth? Mathematics of it is 1 plus 0.01. 1%, if you try to make yourself better every day, 1% looks to be a very small number, but when you do it over a period of 365 days, this will be a substantially big number. This will be 37 times. This will make you 37 times more better than what you are today. Yes? So, focus on these little habits, and one of them should be part of your New Year resolution. While doing this, initially, you may not see that significant growth. One day you write the notes, nothing much is going to change. Second day you write the notes, not at all. 4 days, if you write the notes, weekend performance will not for sure improve. But don't lose hope initially itself. When you start seeing that growth will be exponentially high and it will be much larger than what you initially even thought of. So have belief in whatever you have set for yourself, the goal you have set for yourself, and then thinking more on what you want, think who you want to be. Decide for yourself who you want to be and believe in that. Believe that you are an IITian, you are going to be an IITian. Believe that you want to be a doctor and you are a doctor. And once you have this belief in you, success for sure is going to be yours. When did India win 1983 World Cup? It is not on 25th June. Though they have won the final on that day, India won World Cup final when the skipper of then Indian national team, Kapil Dev, said in the very first interview that they are here to win. We are here to win. When he said that, that very moment, India won the game. He believed that India is going to win the game. He made his teammates believe that India is going to win the game, and India won the game. So have belief in yourself, have belief in whatever you are doing, and that will definitely yield you success. I'll narrate you a small story. Last April, my daughter plays cricket. On April 18th, we were celebrating her birthday. I took pieces of cakes to her camps, distributed among all other students. Some took it, some didn't. I asked the students who didn't take it as to what happened. One boy said, my coach didn't allow me to eat cakes, so I'm not taking it. Another boy said, I want to be a cricketer, I want to focus on my fitness, so I am not eating cakes. And the third boy said, I am a cricketer and I don't eat cakes. Result is the same. 3 boys didn't eat the cake, but the boy who said, I am a cricketer, believed that he is, and for sure he will make it big and he will represent a big league in some tournament. Have belief in you. Have belief in you that you are going to be an IITian, and have belief in you that you are going to be a doctor. Have belief in you that whatever you are doing, you're doing it right and you will do it in the right way, and that will lead you to success. And the path then, when you have belief in yourself that you have it all in you to make it there, will make the process memorable, pleasure, and you will for sure win whatever you have decided yourself for. If you like this, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and all the very best. We will keep on updating you in terms of motivational videos and subject videos, and let us sail through this process towards your success together.